Hello viewers, welcome to LinuxSimply. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete directory in Linux. So let's get started. There are three methods to find and delete directory in Linux. The first one is using find and rmdir command. The second one is using the find and rm command with option R and I. And the third one is using ls command and rm command with option R and F. So at first I'm going to show you the first one. For this I'm going to open the Ubuntu terminal. Now I'm going to remove a directory, and before that I'm going to check if the directory is empty or it has contents inside it. For this I'm going to use ls command. ls command is used to show contents inside the folder, and this L option is used to show the long listing format, and this is the name of the directory. Now I'm tapping on the enter button. As you can see, the directory is empty. For deleting a directory, if it is empty, there will be a method, and if it is not empty, there will be another method. So as it is empty, I'm going to delete it with the method of deleting empty directory. Now I'm going to search the file and delete it, and for this I'm going to use find command. This find command is used to find files and directories. This is the absolute path of the directory's current location, and this indicates the directories only, and this is the name of the directory, and this is a pipe that passes the output of the find command as the input of the rmdir command, and this xrs command builds and executes commands from standard input, and this command is used to remove the empty directory. Now I'm going to press the enter button. Now let's check if the directory is removed from the current directory or not. As you can see, this directory is no longer existing. Now I'm going to remove non-empty directory using find command and rm command with the ri options. So for this, let's check the folder first. As you can see, this folder is not empty. It has contents inside it. Now I'm going to remove it using the find command. This find command is used to find files and directories, and this is the name of the directory. This exact command permits command execution on each found item, and this portion is used to remove the directory and all the files in it interactively by asking for permission, and this is a placeholder, and this portion is used to indicate the end of the command. Now I'm tapping on the enter button. As you can see, here is a prompt. Now I'm going to type Y and press enter to continue. Again, I'm going to type Y and press enter. Another time. Okay. Again. Now let's check if the folder is deleted or not. As you can see, the folder is successfully removed from the current directory. Now I'm going to show you the third method of deleting directories. For this I'm going to use ls command. ls command is used to show the contents inside a folder. Option L shows the long listing format, and this is the folder I want to delete. Now I'm tapping on the enter button to continue. As you can see, it has a file inside it, so it is not an empty directory. Now I'm going to remove it using rm command. This option R and F is used to remove the directory recursively and without asking for permission. Now tapping on the enter button to continue. Let's check if the folder is deleted or not. For this, I'm using the same process as before. I'm tapping the enter button. As you can see, the folder directory 1 does not exist here. That shows it is deleted. This is how you can simply find and delete directories in Linux. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you find this complicated, you can always read the full article in the description box. Bye-bye.